Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made these delicious baked pork chops. And if you like to know how, keep watching. Okay, first we're going to make our rub. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of Italian season. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Black pepper. And salt. And last, we're going to use some Cajun season. And next, I like to just get a fork and just put some holes in my pork chops. And that just kind of helps the season to go through. I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to do it on the other side. Okay, next I have some aluminum foil in the bottom of my pan. And I'm going to place my pork chops in. And that just helps clean up. Put that aside. Okay, so next I'm going to use some olive oil. Or if you don't have olive oil, you can always use vegetable oil or whatever oil that you like to use. But I'm just going to use the olive oil. And I'm just going to pour some on it. Okay. I'm just going to rub that in real good. It's on both sides. And that just helps cook it also. Now, after that, then I'm going to go ahead and put my season on it. And the reason why I put the oil on first, because it just helps the season to attach to the oil, to the pork chop. Sorry. We're going to do both sides. Okay. Okay. Now that looks really good. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to place this in the oven for about 20 minutes. Okay. Don't that look good? Let me let you look at it real good. It just looks so delicious. Okay. Got it rubbed in real good. Okay, now let's put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, so they are ready. And I did let it broil for about 10 minutes. So now I'm going to take them out. Don't that look delicious? And I'm going to pour some little juices over it from the pan. Okay, I'm going to cut into one. See how good that look? I'm gonna taste it for y'all. I'm gonna let y'all look at it real good. There you have it. Don't those look so delicious? And it didn't take no more than about 30 minutes to cook, and probably about 10 minutes for prep. So if you want something fast and easy for your household, just try this. They will love it. Put some green beans with it or some corn, baked potato, whatever. It will be delicious. Okay, well, we're going to be going. And y'all have a blessed day. Have a safe day. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.